Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bendu Billy. If you are new here, you are very welcome. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Today I'm here with a tutorial on this crochet boho passion twist. First, I'm washing my pre-used Lulu Threads passion twist hair in color 1/24" in lukewarm water. I'm going in with my anti-breakage Tresemme shampoo. Then I will let it sit for 30 minutes and then go ahead and wash it off. I'm also going in with my Tresemme conditioner, then rinse and let it air dry overnight. Before I start this process, I'm unraveling 26 passion twist crochet hair so that I can use it to braid the front of my natural hair. I'm going to use a piece of the sprinkle twist hair on each twist to secure the roots of my natural hair, because the passion twist hair is very silky, so I don't want it to slip out of my hair in no time. I'm using my shine and jam to braid the roots of each twist, and also it helps to secure my natural hair so that it don't slip out in no time. I'm taking a piece of the sprinkle twist hair, then one of the unraveled passion twist crochet hair and crisscross it. For the parting, I'm doing 2 twists on the first row, then 3 on the second row. As I move my way up, I continue to add a twist on each row depending on the need. To create the boho look, I'm adding 2 to 3 pieces of my 22" Make Your Way Himo hair in color 1 on each twist. I'm done with the front. Now I'm moving on to the back. I braided half of my cornrows off camera. Then I left a piece of hair in the middle of my hair so that I can go ahead and use that to hide the crochet in the back. So just keep watching. This part of the hairstyle is very easy. This took me less than 30 minutes to complete the back. I'm always just doing it this way because I find it really like time consuming trying to braid the back of my hair if I can just crochet it in a way that is not going to be seen. And me personally, I really do not like the crochet to show in the front of my hair, so I always just braid the front and then go ahead and crochet the back, and at the end of the day it still look really nice and neat and no one can tell if it's crochet. So guys, just keep watching. For the crochet part, I'm just really tucking my crochet needle underneath my braids and pulling it. I continuously keep doing this until I'm done with this hairstyle. Now I'm just adding few of the Milky Way human hair at the back so that we can go ahead and create that boho look at the back as well, because the passion twist hair didn't have any curls on it. So I'm doing this to make sure that we achieve some curls in the back. Okay guys, this is the finished look. This hairstyle came out so beautiful, exactly how I imagined it. I love the length. This style can be worn on the side or in the middle. You can also wear it up in a ponytail. It's not heavy at all. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye.